We are here today to report the responsibilities of the Philippine judiciary. The Philippine judiciary is one of the three branches of the government. It is responsible for interpreting laws and ensuring justice. Its role is to uphold the Constitution and protect the citizens' rights. The judiciary ensures checks and balance within the government.
The judiciary is composed of different courts, including Supreme Court, the highest court that makes final decisions, Court of Appeals, who reviews cases from lower courts. Sandigang Bayan handles corruption cases involving government officials. Court of Tax Appeals deals with tax-related cases. Regional trial courts handle civil and criminal cases at the regional level. Municipal and city courts handles minor offenses and disputes. The Supreme Court oversees the entire judicial system and ensures consistency in legal interpretation. So these are the key responsibilities of the judiciary. Interpretation of laws, ensuring that laws are applied correctly and fairly. Judicial review, evaluating the constitutionality of laws and executive actions. Dispute resolution, setting conflicts between individuals, businesses, and government agencies. Protection of rights, upholding human rights, due process, and fundamental freedoms. Issuance of legal decisions, providing final rulings on legal matters that set precedents for future cases. Ensuring accountability, holding individuals and government officials accountable for violation of law. Judicial independence. The judiciary operates independently from the executive and legislative branches. Judges and justice cannot be influenced by politics or personal interests. The Supreme Court ensures impartiality and fairness in decision making. Judiciary independence is protected by constitutional provision that ensures security of tenure and salary for justice.
Of Supreme Court. Here are the key functions and characteristics of this high court and jurisdiction. The highest court in the land with power of judicial review. The Supreme Court holds the ultimate authority to interpret laws and determine their constitutionality. Its decisions are final and binding. Judicial review allows it to invalidate laws or government actions that conflicts with the constitution. Composed of Chief Justice and 14 Associate Justice, the Court of Structure consists of Chief Justice who leads the court and 14 Associate Justice who participate in decision-making process. This group works collectively to interpret the law and issues ruling. Handles constitutional issues, administrative cases and appeals. The Supreme Court's jurisdiction is extensive. It addresses cases involving the interpretation of the Constitution, disputes related to government, agencies and regulations, and appeals from lower courts. Issues landmarks ruling that shape national policies and governance. The Supreme Court decisions have significant and long-lasting impacts. Landmark rulings establish legal precedents that influence future legal interpretation and significant shape national policies in the way government functions. Ensures uniformity in legal interpretation across all lower courts. The Supreme Court plays crucial role in maintaining consistency in the application of law. Its ruling guide lower courts, preventing conflict interpretation and ensuring more uniform and predictable legal statement nationwide. The judiciary faces several significant challenges that threaten its efficiency, fairness, and public trust. These include overburdened case goals. Court often face a large backlog of cases resulting in significant delays. These can lead to injustice as individuals wait extended periods for their cases to be heard, and it can also strain resources and personnel. Corruption concerns. Allegations of corruption within the judicial system undermine public trust and fairness of the legal process. Implementing stronger ethics guidelines, increased transparency, and robust oversight mechanisms are crucial to address this challenge. Inefficient. Inefficient process. Outdated procedure and a lack of technological advancement can contribute to slow and efficient court processes. Modernization efforts, including technological upgrades and procedural reforms, are needed to expedite trials and improve overall efficiency. Declining public trust. A lack of transparency and accountability can lead to a decline in public confidence in the judiciary. Increasing transparency in court proceeding and ensuring judge, and court staff are held accountable for their actions are essential for restoring the maintaining public trust. Insufficient funding. Limited financial resources can severely hamper the judiciary's ability to function effectively. Underfunding can lead to understaffing, inadequate technology, and a lack of resources for essential court operations and modernization efforts, exacerbating the other challenges. Judicial reforms and initiatives refers to the challenges and program designed to improve the efficiency, fairness, and transparency of the judicial system. The bullet points detail specific strategies. Digitalization of court records and implementation of online hearings. This initiative aims to modernize the court system by transitioning from paper-based system to digital platforms. This improves efficiency by streamlining processes, making information more readily accessible, and potentially reducing costs associated with physical storage and transportation of documents. Online hearings are offer added convenience and reduce travel burdens for participants. Judicial training programs to enhance the competence and ethical standards of judges. Continuous training is crucial for judges to stay abreast of legal developments, enhance their decision-making skills, and uphold the highest ethical standards. This program ensures consistent application of the law and maintaining public confidence in the judiciary's impartiality. Strengthening anti-corruption measures through increased oversight and ethic enforcement. This initiative focuses on preventing and addressing corruption within the judicial system. Increased oversight and stricter enforcement and ethical guidelines aim to maintain public trust and ensure the integrity of the legal process. Alternative dispute resolution mechanism to lessen court congestions. Implementing alternative dispute resolution such as mediation and arbitration provides alternative ways to resolve dispute outside of the traditional court proceeding. This reduces the burden on the court system, leading to faster resolution times and decreased costs of litigants. Legislative support for judicial reforms to ensure the judiciary's independence and effectiveness. This emphasizes the importance of legislative support and providing the necessary resources and legal framework for successful judicial reforms. Legislative backing ensures the judicial's independence of political influence and providing the funding needed for implementing and sustaining these reforms. The conclusion summarizes the importance of a strong and effective judiciary. Judiciary's crucial role in maintaining law and order. The judicial system is fundamental to upholding the rule of law and ensuring the societal stability and provides mechanism for resolving disputes peacefully and fairly, preventing chaos and upholding social order. The judiciary's need for independence, efficiency, and fairness for the judiciary to function effectively. It must be independent from political influence, operate efficiently, and to avoid delays and ensure fair and impartial justice for all. These principles are essential for public trust and confidence. The need for continued reforms to enhance justice delivery and public confidence. The judicial system is not static, continuous improvement is necessary. Ongoing reforms are needed to address challenges like backlog, improve efficiency, and enhance public confidence in the fairness and impartiality of system, and strengthening judicial integrity and transparency as essential for national development. A just and transparent judiciary is vital for national progress. Judicial integrity, the honesty and ethical conduct of justice, the transparency in court proceeding are crucial for fostering trust, attract investment, and promoting overall national development. Thank you, ma.